All right, it's 2017 Chevy Silverado. If you're running your AC on a hot, muggy day and it's getting a little musty and nasty smelling on the inside, you may have a plugged up AC unit there. So a lot of times these trucks will get their drain plugged up, and then you'll get that musty, nasty mouse smell inside there. So these newer trucks are a little bit easier to reach than the older trucks, because the older trucks had a big canister up here, but these newer so this is a 17, so the 14s to 18s, that hose right there, that's where your water drain is. So what you want to do is you can pull that elbow off, and you can poke, this is a zip tie, reach up there and poke up a little bit, and water should come pouring out of there if it's plugged up. If it's not, you might have some other issues. So hope that helped you guys out. Pretty simple on these newer trucks. And if you got any questions, let me know. Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time, see you later. Thanks for watching.